Hello and welcome to Stressed to Mindfully Blessed, a podcast series from Mindfully Blessed Successful Living. Do you consider yourself an optimist or a pessimist? Do you feel as if you are a positive, happy person? The truth is that thinking positively doesn't always come naturally. It takes some work. It also requires a shift in thinking. When you start focusing on positive words and positive loving thoughts, your body responds. The more you focus on positive, happy things, the quicker you will steer your mind in a new positive direction. BLESSisms are one way you can start thinking more positively. You are the key to everything good in life, and certainly the key to the healing process. When you truly believe that you can heal and take the time every day to focus on that healing, then healing is possible. Every time you get stressed, anxious, or aggravated, you create more negative energy, which is certainly not good if you're trying to think positively or in the healing or recovery process. When you can make a conscious decision to speak positive, kind words, you begin to draw in that same type of positive, empowered energy. As you speak these words, you begin to become a vibrational match to your goal. Your body will appreciate this love and kindness. You can fix your broken template. You can reprogram your thoughts. In the end, the choice is yours. Practicing mindfulness and using BLESSism help you take an active role in the healing process. I'm Leslie Riopel from mindfullyblessed.com, and I'm so glad you joined us for this session. We're continuing the Magnificent You series and 4 weeks to your ultimate health and well-being, with a bonus podcast that contains all of the BLESSisms from week 1 of our practice. Let's get started now on the BLESSisms for week 1. We invite you to take a moment after listening to or repeating each of these BLESSisms to meditate and reflect upon how they make you feel. I will give you some time to do this after each one, so you can think about how these BLESSisms can help you in your healing journey. Let's begin with the BLESSism for awareness. I bless, acknowledge, and give thanks for my miraculous body and the trillions of cells and intricate connections which enable me to function day after day, month after month, and year after year. I bless and thank my body for being an extraordinary instrument capable of healing itself. With these words, I set the intention to communicate with my innate intelligence. I am tapping into that part of myself that is connected to that which is greater than me. I acknowledge and am grateful for this connection. I believe in this self-healing process, and I am ready for healing. I know and thank my body and my cells for listening. Today I bless my body and its perfect functioning, which defies my wildest imagination. I bless this unbelievable marvel and collection of cells that makes me who I am. And I am so grateful for this connection. BLESSism for the body and breath. I bless and am extraordinarily grateful for my body and my breath. With each deep breath, I let go of things that no longer serve me. I honor and bless my magnificent body. I honor and bless my DNA. I honor and bless my innate intelligence and my smart body. I am aligned with this healing energy at this moment. Together, we are creating the perfect scenario to manifest a beautiful state of health and wellness. I let go of anything that is holding us back. I am releasing my fears and releasing my pain. I am blessed with this creative power. Thank you. What a beautiful, sacred gift. With every breath, I let go of the old and welcome in the new. BLESSism for compassion. I bless everything I may be struggling with today. I send love and compassion to myself and others. Help me forgive and let go. Help me see the world through loving eyes. Help me lift others up with my energy. May compassion, love, and respect fill my thoughts. It all begins with me. This is the power I have. Help me make intuitive choices aligned with my healing. I bless and am grateful for my cellular structure and my body's ability to eliminate any issues that may keep me from moving forward into a beautiful state of health, happiness, and healing. And that power I speak of is the creative power I need to bring more compassion, more light, more beauty, and more love into my world. Thank you. I love you. BLESSism for discernment. I bless and give thanks for all those difficult times in my life. I bless my ability to discern, rest, and reflect. I can use this time to reset and take a step back and make some changes I may have been wanting or needing to make. I understand that I may need to make some difficult changes to create the happy, healthy mind and body I deserve. I am more than ready. I send love to all parts of my body, the parts that work flawlessly every day, and the parts of my body that may still struggle. Thank you for this beautiful journey of love. Thank you for the inspiration and motivation. I bless every cell in my body, and I am grateful for my vibrant health. Thank you for my healthy body. Thank you for my lymphatic system that is thriving with healing energy. Thank you for my clean, clear, healthy, healed cells. I am grateful and filled with vitality. I love you. BLESSism for empowerment. I bless my courage and sense of empowerment today. I bless all those times in my life when I may not have felt empowered. My inner strength is invincible. I am stronger than any of the negative circumstances I have been through. I am empowered. I am the ultimate co-creator in this beautiful healing journey. My inner self is beautiful. My outer self is beautiful. My energy is beautiful. My charisma is beautiful. I am radiant. I am vitally important. I always support myself. I love myself, and I love and bless my body. I believe in this healing process. I make a pact to never speak unkind words back to myself ever again or to anyone else. My mind and body are healing. My emotions are healing. My cells are healing. My organs are healing. My muscles, bones, joints, and ligaments are healing. I have the ultimate creative power to heal my body. I am healing my mind, body, and soul with these powerful words. I am truly blessed. I am magnificent. Thank you. I love you. BLESSism for a fresh start. I bless my ability to start fresh each and every day. I am grateful for this ability to have a clean slate for healing. This is a new day. I praise, honor, and bless my beautiful, healthy, healed body. I make a commitment to let go of everything that is holding me back and anything that is hindering my healing journey. I receive, activate, and awaken this power right now. I am beginning anew. This is a new season of healing. Today and every day, I expect only good, positive, and healthy outcomes. I know I can reprogram myself right down to the cellular level. I disallow any predispositions previously programmed into my mind that may have been assumed or inherited. I have a clean slate. I am starting over and starting fresh. Thank you. I love you. I bless you. BLESSism for gratitude. I am blessed and grateful for my extraordinary body today. I'm also blessed and grateful for those parts of my body that may need a little extra love and healing. I can find gratitude within each healing lesson and turn them into blessings. Everything that happens on my healing journey, good or bad, shapes my destiny in a beautiful way. Thank you. May I find time each and every day to send gratitude and love to my magnificent body. I am grateful for my healthy, strong body. I am grateful for my peace. I am filled with gratitude with each breath. I am grateful for love and understanding and compassion. May each and every day begin and end with gratitude and joy. I am learning to be more and more grateful. I release anything that doesn't support my highest good. I acknowledge my emotions and learn from them. No matter what symptoms manifest, I am increasing my health and vitality every moment of every day. Thank you. I love you. BLESSism for the heart. I bless and am extraordinarily grateful for my miraculous heart today. I bless my heart and its ability to pump blood and beat over 84,000 times a day without fail. I bless my heart and its ability to love and be loved. I know I am deeply loved and divinely equipped. Thank you for my healing. Thank you for the love. I am truly honored to be a part of this journey and a vessel of divine healing. My body is a miraculous instrument of love. I can feel this love emanating within, through, and as me. I can feel this divine energy flowing. I know everything is energy. Everything is love. And this connection gets brighter and brighter every day. I thank you. I honor you. I love you. I hope you enjoyed that session. Join us on a journey of healing and transformation to improve mental health and well-being with mindful blessings, aka BLESSisms, successful living skills, and positive psychology, sponsored by mindfullyblessed.com and our nonprofit planetblessed.org. Start tapping into your capacity to create, to overcome, to endure, to transform, to love, and to be greater than your suffering with our daily BLESSisms and inspirational messages. This podcast series is dedicated to helping you harness the potential of stress and transform your greatest struggles and pain into your greatest blessings and joy. We encourage you to subscribe to our podcast. Learn more about Mindful BLESSisms on our website at mindfullyblessed.com and our Mindfully Blessed YouTube channel that has a brief video introducing Mindful BLESSisms for your ultimate health and well-being, or on our Instagram Mindfully Blessed page. To receive a daily BLESSism or Earthism, please subscribe to our free newsletter via our website, mindfullyblessed.com. Thanks so much for joining me on this episode.